on the path with all the other people that will treat you like they have. You're like another miracle, hanging up in the future, letting the clock's ticking, and I ain't the one to blame. Time is passing and ain't nothing stopping you. This is the day where everything will change, and I ain't just worried about the yes or no game. I hope this isn't just another fantasy. I will never let you go, never let you go. I know it's kinda crazy how I just met you, but baby I am feeling something right as I met you. When we talk I feel a connection non-stop, my heart is beating like you're trying to break the lock. Or am I just confusing love with losing, love with losing, love with losing? Never will I ever let you go, never, never, no, 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 never let you go. I'll take you to the game, more than just the same. Let her in, call her Mrs. Daisy, cause she makes me feel crazy. Or maybe I am hazy, defined by lazy. The roof is raising and I know we aren't just playing, cause I'm tired of these lonely nights in a dark, dark room with no shining lights. You had me from the start, won't let this change. No, it ain't a game, if it is then I will be ashamed. Please don't tell me that this will never be in lane. I don't want us have another day in the shame. Never will I want to go back in the day when everything was the same, nothing changed. All I had was me and my untold rage. I wanna forever be, always be together please, because I will never let you go. Never, never, never will I ever let you go. No, never let you go. No, 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 never let you go.